I'm Neil Peterson with LED Lighting Supply. I'm excited today to talk to you about our new high bay linear product offering that we have. It really is a game changer, I think, for the industry. This is our HBLI and 8 fixture under the LED Lighting Supply brand. It comes in a 400 watt replacement and a 1000 watt replacement. And as you notice here, most of the linears in the industry have gone to the 2 feet, in that range. Our 1000 watt replacement is a 4-foot fixture. So again, it's exactly like your T5 fixture. It's just it's a swap in, so it's the full 4 feet. I'm not going to open that today, but I'm going to show you the 400 watt replacement. We do pack 2 units in this box because it again allows us to make it more cost effective. Each one of them come with a safety cord, but the fixture is very robust, and the lens is ideal. We get a lot of complaints from customers sometimes when they've had a light that has a clear optic because of the glare, because these things put out a lot of light. This 400 watt replacement is standard at a 165 watt, but it is wattage selectable down to 140 or 130. It's also color changeable at 4K or 5K. But you get a nice, opaque frosted lens, so it reduces the glare to some degree. It also can have a motion sensor added to it. It just plugs in here. You can add an EMB to it. It has a surface mount or a pendant mount bracket, or else it hangs. And so, again, a very versatile fixture. We're really proud of this. And again, in the 1000 watt, it's a 300 watt standard. You can change it to 260 or 230 watts, just in case it's too much light, we find. We do run a lot of lighting plans on these to make sure we can tell you exactly how much light you're going to get, so you can compare it. But again, both of them can come with an EMB if you need that at your egress points. But give one of our lighting specialists a call today, and they'll help you figure out the right fixture for you, how many you need, and the light level you require. So give us a call and we'll make sure you get the right product. Have a great day.